Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're counting down the top 10 smart locks on the Amazon market. All product links are below in the description. Product number 10. Vase Smart Lock, Fingerprint Door Lock, 7-in-1 Keyless Entry Door Lock with App Control, Electronic Touchscreen Keypad, Smart Deadbolt, Biometric Smart Locks for Front Door, Satin Nickel. Price: $139.99. Rating: 4.2 out of 5. Customer reviews: 1686 people. Product number 9. Yale Security Lock 2 with Wi-Fi, Black Connected Keypad Smart Lock for front door or back. Door lock with code and backup key. YRD410WF1BSP. Price: $172.77. Rating: 4.1 out of 5. Customer reviews: 1942 people. Past month sold, 4,000 plus. Product number 8. Schlage Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt with Century Trim in Matte Black. Price: $229. Rating: 4.3 out of 5. Customer reviews: 3,195 people. Past month sold, 3,000 plus. Product number 7. Ultralock Smart Lock U-Bolt Wi-Fi, built-in Wi-Fi Smart Door Lock with Door Sensor, Keyless Entry Door Lock Deadbolt, Wi-Fi Deadbolt Door Lock, works with Alexa, Google, Door Status Alert, Remote Access. Price: $149.99. Rating: 4.3 out of 5. Customer reviews: 5,179 people. Past month sold, 500 plus. Product number 6. Kwikset Halo Wi-Fi Smart Lock, Keyless Entry Front Door Touchscreen Deadbolt, Matte Black Finish, Grade AAA Certified, UL Listed, Easy Install No Hub, App Control, Digital Remote Lock. Price: $199. Rating: 4.0 out of 5. Customer reviews: 6,672 people. Past month sold, 2,000 plus. Product number 5. Teho TE002 Fingerprint Door Lock, Keyless Entry Door Lock, Electronic Keypad, Deadbolt Lock Smart Locks for Front Door Door Lock with Code Auto Lock, Easy Installation, Satin Nickel. Price: $69.99. Rating: 4.4 out of 5. Customer reviews: 10,499 people. Past month sold, 1,000 plus. Product number 4. August Home Silver Wi-Fi Connected Smart Keyless Entry Door Lock. Electronic door lock fits your existing deadbolt in minutes. August SL05M01S01. Price: $127.98. Rating: 4.0 out of 5. Customer reviews: 10,974 people. Past month sold, 1,000 plus. Product number 3. Ultralock Smart Lock U-Bolt Pro, 7-in-1 Fingerprint Keyless Entry Door Lock with App Control, Anti-Peep Keypad, Auto Unlock, Auto Lock, IP65 Waterproof. Price: $109. Rating: 4.3 out of 5. Customer reviews: 12,922 people. Past month sold, 1,000. Product number 2. Teho TE001 Keyless Entry Door Lock with Keypad Smart Deadbolt Lock for Front Door, with 2 keys Auto Lock Easy Installation, Satin Nickel. Price: $31.99. Rating: 4.5 out of 5. Customer reviews: 16,359 people. Past month sold, 7,000 plus. Product number 1. Schlage B365 CAM 622 Keypad Electronic Deadbolt, Matte Black. Price: $89. Rating: 4.4 out of 5. Customer reviews: 18,350 people. Past month sold, 1,000 plus. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more best product review.